Well, it is Wednesday, the 4th of March, and I'm still over here in Georgia at the campsite. I'll be leaving tomorrow. Some free camping outside of Helen, and I decided to take a hike. I was going to try to make it to the waterfalls that are somewhere around here, but I think it's going to be a little too far. I've already hiked probably, we got to be close to 2 miles. And yeah, it was it was just the opposite thing of what I like. I usually like to start my hike going uphill. This way, when you're tired on the way back, it's downhill. Well, it didn't work that way this particular hike, so I am heading back pretty much uphill for the last, 3/4 of a mile. Beautiful scenery, beautiful day. I mean, the temperature's like 67, somewhere between 65 and 67. On and off sun, on and off clouds. So yeah, it's picked the right day. But I think the waterfalls from where I turned around was probably another, pretty close to 2 miles. So that would have been would have been close to an 8-mile round trip. Yeah, I won't say I'm out of shape. I mean, but I will say I'm not in the best of shape. So 8 miles, not a real high elevation, somewhere just under 4,000 is what I saw. But yeah, I've been at 60 feet. For the last month, so. Oh yeah, look at that uphill. Ugh. Yeah. By the time I get done, it'll be just under 4-mile hike. I'm guessing by what I saw on the GPS. So that's doable. I did 5 miles in the desert. So. But that was flat. Well, mostly flat. But I mean, look at this. Mountains, there's no leaves on the trees, so you can see pretty far. Just beautiful. Back's feeling much better. It's not 100%, but I'd say it's 95%. So that's good. Yeah. Somewhere down there must be a really big creek or a small river. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty loud. But yeah, like I said, I was still a couple miles from the waterfall, and yeah, I think 6, maybe even 7 miles would be pushing it. And again, I'm by myself, so. Not that I should be breaking any legs here on the road. Whew. This thing can go at any time. It's dead. Pretty low hanging. Eesh. Okay, don't come down now. Don't come down now. Don't come down now. Okay, made it. Whew. I mean, it's not terribly steep, but it is definitely up, 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 up. No wonder I was feeling so good going the other direction. It was down, 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 down. I've got, according to my GPS here, I've got about almost 3/4 of a mile back to camp. Shouldn't be a problem, feeling pretty good. Not breathing too heavy. Heart's not pumping too bad. Yeah. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. There's another one that's not looking too healthy. This is why I keep a cheap Ryobi electric pole saw and a nice Makita 36 volt battery operated chainsaw. Because if one of those comes down, I can't get out. So I don't know where the other end of this ends up, but yeah. So I'd have to cut it out of the way. A lot of dead going on here. Man. Yeah. Wildlife's been pretty scarce. Squirrels, I did see one raccoon in the distance. He took off before I could get a picture. A few birds. That's about it. I was hoping for some deer. And I know there's bear up here, but I haven't seen any bear scat even. And I do look for signs of wildlife constantly. It's just something that's been ingrained into me. Yeah, all right, it's flattened out a little bit. I think my walking pace has been about close to 5 miles per hour. Going uphill, it slowed down a little bit to about 4. That's okay. I'm not in a race. I just can't walk at a slow pace. I don't know. I'm like, with my height, I guess I'm just like riding a bicycle. You ever try to ride a bicycle really, really, really slow? You kind of want to fall over? Nah. All right, well, probably boring to watch, but scenery's nice. All right, well, about a little under half a mile to go, so I will make it. See you.